If you've been a viewer of the channel since the beginning, you know that prior to coming to medical school, which is what I'm doing now, I was a full-time DJ. And in my time as a full-time DJ, I went through a lot of different bags. And really, it's not limited to my business experience. I just love bags in general. I have got backpacks, satchels, suitcases. I mean, any kind of good-looking bag to carry my stuff around. I think it's super important. If you're on the go, you travel, you go to school like I do, you need a solid and good-looking bag. First of all, to make it seem like you know what you're doing. Appearance is definitely important and impressions are critical. And also because you don't want your crap falling all over. And a good bag that keeps your things organized, separated, compartmentalized, that's really key to me. And I've got a bag here designed by a good friend of mine at a company called the DJ's Guru. The DJ's Guru is a company that I've been affiliated with since its beginning. I do some of their content for them. They're a really awesome resource if you're a DJ to learn about, how to be a DJ, important stuff about gear. They've also got DJEventGear.com where they sell, good priced DJ equipment. And this is a bag that they actually make. It's their own line. And one was sent for me from my good friend Justin. And it has a lot of things that as a DJ I like to see. So let me give you a little overview of this. Now, before I get started, if you're new here, thanks for joining me. This is the Phage Reviews YouTube channel. I do tech reviews, DJ product gear reviews, lighting, audio, USB microphones, podcast stations, you name it. If it's a cool tech product, I review it on here. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope to earn your subscription by the end of this video. But let's dive into taking a look at this cool gig bag. Now, it's got the DJ's Guru logo right here at the top. And the first thing that I really love about this guy is the heathered gray finish. Of all the different kinds of colors you can get for a gig bag, I think heather gray like this is the most professional. I have multiple bags in the same color, duffels, backpacks, and it's interesting. It's not plain black. You don't look like a roadie, but at the same time, it's not so flashy that it detracts. You're not rocking like a high-vis orange. This is just, it's classy. It's, you can always have it. It's timeless. Heather gray is awesome. Now, it does have a little bit of black right here, which is kind of like a rubberized finish for when you set the bag on the ground. You're not staining, the nice heather gray, which is always a good feature to have. Now, again, the zipper pulls, like classy looking, not your standard like YKK metal zipper. It's a nice rubberized finish here, and these are good. They hold up, they're smooth, and it looks nice. Now around the back, again, the heather gray remains here. You've got your hanging like canvas strap right here for setting it up on stuff. Pretty standard straps here at the bottom, and then a padded back area right here. Nothing too exciting to write home there. You do have a padded strap up top, and one of the things I like about this guy is that it is slim, okay? When it's not full of things, it's not a bulky kind of awkward shape. This looks modern and sleek, which is really nice. Now, you've got this front pocket here. This is gonna be great if you're a DJ, throw extra cables or adapters in here. A tablet would also fit in this guy. Things that are more flat. This is gonna be the perfect spot for that. Now around the side, you've got two main compartment zippers right here, and you also have a USB charging port. So if you throw a power bank inside of this guy, you can actually charge your phone or your electronics in a pinch from the outside of the bag without having to run a cable everywhere, which is super nice. Now that's that side, that's that side. Let's open it up and look at the front pouch right here. Really awesome. The zippers on the front pouch run all the way down the side of the bag so you can open it completely, which is really nice. Now you've got different compartments on both sides. You've got two larger ones right here, phone sized, microphone sized, cable as always. And then you've got two of those same size right here along with thinner, these could be pens or writing utensils right there. And then you've got your main compartment, okay? Again, tablet, writing materials, cables, any sort of adapters, good location for that. And then the largest zipper is going to be your main compartment. Again, the zippers run all the way to the bottom so you can open this completely, so nice. And we've got our padded laptop area right here. Velcro strap to keep it in, really thick, good foam padding, and then you've also got your main compartment. So if I were to load this up for DJing, this back compartment would be my laptop and would be my headphones, larger, bulkier items in the main compartment. Next pouch would maybe be a backup tablet, writing utensils, you know, if you're a wedding DJ, my timelines could go in there. And then my front pouch, miscellaneous small items, earplugs, extra phone charger, battery pack, stuff like that. So this is the DJ's Guru bag. I'll include a link down below. Great company, worth supporting. And this is just sleek, modern, no frills, but just enough organization that it'll work for the average DJ. If you're a student like me, also a great bag as well. Again, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you become one. Ring the notification bell. Let me know if you have a favorite DJ gig bag down in the comments. And if you've got one of these yourself, let me know how it's held up for you at your events. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.